Good day, ma'am. Ang report ko sa kuman is sa pre-final coverage. And report ko is about sa sociological theory. These theories look at how society, social group, and powerful relationship influence people behavior. Instead of blaming individuals alone, they focus on factors like poverty, inequality, and environment. Example, a teenager growing up in a high-crime neighborhood may get involved in crime because it's common and normalized in that environment. Example is, kung isa ka teenager, dako siya sa isa ka high-crime na mga silingan, bahay, ay barangay, or ano ba, ma-involve sila sa crime tungod kay common na sa ila, maintain na sila kakita na ito yung awat sila tubangan, ito'y kukuhan sa iya tubangan tungod dyan sa environment. Bali ang teenager magtadako siya, pero para sa iya isa kuhan yan, common yun, normal na kibali yun na mga panhitabo. Next is on social process theories. This focus on how people learn behavior through interaction with other. Behavior, good or bad, is not inborn. It develops through socialization. Example, a child learn to lie because they see friends or family member doing it and getting away with it. And example, ang bata, makatuon gad siya ng pamakak tungod kay makita sa iya mga amigo or sa iya ginikanan niya makak di kibali siya mahawd sab niya kuno na gipanhimo. Next is an social learning theory, Albert Bandura. People are not born aggressive or criminal. They learn behavior by observing and interacting with others. So, ang mga tao baya, wala gud sila maborn na aggressive or criminal. Learn gud nila na behavior by observing or pagtanaw na ba, interacting with others o pakisama sa mga lain tao. Example, a child watch older sibling act aggressively and start copying the behavior at school. Ang isa ka bata, gitanon niya maguwang na kibali na aggressive siya. So ang bata sabihin siya sa kibali iya paghaod kuno ni gimo na niya maguwang mag-aggressive sa siya niya behavior. Next is an step in observational learning. Number 1 is an attention. You must focus on the behavior to learn it. Attention is fokusan mo yon, dili ka tawagin di ka dali da mawaran nimo kuan ba focus. Example, student carefully watch how a teacher solve a math problem. Yon, kung mag-class kibalian sa ka instructor, kung gusto mo may mo learn o makasabot ka sa topic, mag-focus ka, attention. Di ka kibali magpakuhan sa iban. Kung may makablit, sagdi. Di ka kibali magpakuhan. Next, and retention. You must remember what you observe. Ang retention is dumdumon mo kung ano mo mga yakita. Example, isa ka student, ika-remember siya ng mga step na gipansolve kibali na niya math problem, gipantudlo kibali kadumdum siya balik gitudlo. Next, and reproduction. You try to perform the behavior yourself. Example, the students solve a similar math problem using the same step. And next is number 4, and motivation. May motivation na need nimo ng reason or reward to intimidate the behavior. Sample, isa ka student, continue siya ng pag-solving ng problem, kay gusto kibalin niya makakuha siya ng high grades or purion siya. Amyon niya motivation. Next is types of learning, social learning theory, differential association theory, Edwin Sutherland. People learn criminal behavior by interacting with others who already engage in crime. So, ang mga tao ko, makalearn sila ng criminal behavior sa pagkigiban nila sa mga lain na tao na yakahimo na ng mga krimen. Example, a person join a group of friends who shoplift and eventually learn and adopt the same behavior. Next is a basic principle of differential association theory. Number 1 is criminal behavior is learned. Crime is not inherent, it is learned like any other skill. So, ang crime ko, wala nato yun mamana. So, i-learn gud din nato. Parehas na sa iba ng mga skill, kumbaga kung sa basketball, ma-learn din sa nato yun kung anong pagduwa. Same sa crime. Example, someone learn how to hack by watching tutorial and interacting with hackers online. Mayon. Ang iban makahibaw kuno na pag-hack tungod sa pangitan ng mga tutorial para makahack online. And number 2 is learning. Learning is by product of interaction. Example, experiences. People learn criminal behavior through communication and relation. Example, a teenager learns to smoke or use drugs from friends who encourage it. So, sa learning by the product of interaction, kung isa ka bata maka-learn siya ng panigarilyo or gamit ng drug tungod sa barkada naga-encourage sa iya na mo gamit daw ng mga butang. Ano sa learning. Number 3 is ang criminal technique are learned. People learn both the methods and reason for committing crimes. Example, a person learn how to break into the house and justify it by saying they are rich in a way. That's all, ma'am. Thank you for listening.